Hi, it's Sam here from the San Diego Craft Collective, and today I'm going to show you how to make a textile rainbow. We are going to be using yarn, felt, scissors, glue, and a little bit of rope. So today, to make our rainbow, we're going to start by spreading out all of our pieces and finding the longest piece. And then you can decide what colors you're going to use, and in our case we're going to use red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So we're going to start with red. So starting with red, we're going to leave about a finger's width of space between the end, and we're going to make a knot. And after you make your knot, you want to make sure to tuck the tail of your knot before you start wrapping. And as you wrap, you want to make sure that you're wrapping as tight as possible. And you'll just keep wrapping until you get to the end. And if you have any white space, then you can just scoot the yarn down and try to not have any white space there between. So you want to keep going until you get to the end and you have about a finger's width of space. And once you get to the end, you'll make another knot and you'll repeat the process for all of your pieces. You can also twist. Sometimes if you get the right angle and you're comfortable enough, you can twist it while holding the yarn. My yarn got a little tangled. And then, I'm not going to finish this now, but as soon as you have all of your pieces done, you'll take them and put them on your felt, and you'll figure out how wide you want your pieces or how close together you want them. So in my case, I want them a little bit closer together. You want to make sure you line up all of the ropes on the bottom. So once you're ready to glue up, you'll open up your glue and you'll put glue on your rope. And then you'll put glue on your felt. Once you do that, you'll place it down and you want to put a little bit of pressure just to make sure that it's on there all the way. And you want this to dry for about an hour to 2 hours, or if you can, overnight. And then once it's dry, you'll take your scissors and cut off all of your excess felt from the top, from the middle, and from the bottom. And then you'll have your finished rainbow. Thank you again. We're from the San Diego Craft Collective.